Alright, sir, we are all done with the estimate. This is what it's going to cost to get the job done. What? I'm not paying these. These prices are crazy. They're actually pretty competitive. If you look around, you're going to find the same thing. I'll tell you what, we'll have you be our sole plumber, and we'll pay you double what you're asking. All you got to do is save that gazelle. That's it. I'll be right back. Where'd he go? Dang.